give her a kissy. Go give her kisses, honey. Tell her time to wake up. Kissy, kissy. Oh, good girl. She gave you a kiss. Oh. Give her a kissy, honey. Yeah, nice. Oh. Oh, she gave you a kiss on the head, Emma. Don't pull hair, ouchie. Don't pull hair, ouchie. Nice. Nice, Ava, I mean. There. Here, turn your head so she doesn't pull your hair. Good job. Oh, kissy. Ava, ouchie. Ouchie, that hurts, Emma. Did you wake her up and give her kisses? Oh. Kissy. Ouch. Honey, let's not pull her hair anymore. Come on. That hurts her. See, wake up, sister. We have to go to karate. Wake up, sister.